Hey guys, welcome back to another tech review. I found this in my basement. It's a hold on. Yamaha natural sound processing amplifier SR-50. And I don't know what it does. It has a power that turns on the power. Speakers A and B. I don't see any. I guess it's this. You can turn those on and off. I mean it. Oh, okay. Hold on. There we go. That's on. Okay. So if you got like a nice old like British style top hat, then you're off. But if you got one of them little flatter hats, like a bowler hat, then you're on. So that's how you work the on and off function. Bass extension, it makes the bass longer, so your songs last longer, but only the bass. The high filter, it gets rid of the high, so you know, tape monitor monitors your tapes. Okay, so hold on. Okay, processing mode. Processes the mode. No, it's the mode that you process. So delay time right there. As you can see, you can turn it like this. But I guess that has something to do with the bass extension, because if you extend the length of your songs, the bass delays also. And you can delay the rest of the song so that it doesn't stop. There you go. Okay, so this confuses me very much. I'm gonna have to be very careful when describing this, because I don't want to give you guys any false information. you know me. I don't know how to pronounce that. Natural Hall. Oh, Natural Sir Hall music. I don't know. Defeat makes you lose. I can't read that. Oh, okay. That's unfortunate. Okay, anyways, input balance, it makes it go left. If you go this, it makes you go left, and if you do that, it makes you go right. No problem there then. Okay. And this volume, there we go. Okay. So it's oh, hold on. It's measured in negative wait, hold on. Yeah, negative as you can see there. So, okay. So that's the Yamaha natural surround sound process SR-50. Alright, let's turn it around to the back. Let's turn it around to the back. Oh, we got nothing on here. Okay. So, I can't see it. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Input. Okay, so input, L and R. Tape, L and R, but you also have tape PB and rec out. I assume this stands for record, but I could not guarantee you. You guys know me, I don't want to give you any false information. So the output is the opposite of input. If you look it up in the thesaurus, you'll find that in is the opposite of out, but they both put, so these two are opposites. I don't know why there's like staples stuck in here. Anyways, speakers, I don't know. This doesn't look like speakers to me. They look like holes. Maybe. Oh, maybe. Since the input has holes, maybe the speakers are for okay. All right. I have some speakers. I just so happen to have some speakers right here. But hold on. They tell too because it says speakers, not speaker. I'm not stupid. Come on, guys. come on. I have the wire for the speakers too, because you can't do anything without having the wire. Obviously, everyone knows that. Speaker. There, okay. Okay. Hold on. What the fuck? I don't. Alright guys, be sure to leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Tech Review. I will see you guys later. Thank you.